Welcome back to Insight. I'm here with Kevin. He is from Western Reserve Group. So tell me about Western Reserve Group.
Sure, it's a great little story. Western Reserve Group was founded back in 1906 in Seville, Ohio, which is about 60 minutes from Cleveland.
Okay.
And how it was founded was actually a group of farmers got together. They didn't think they were being fairly treated by their insurance company because they had lightning rods on their homes and their barns and they didn't get proper credit. Thus, they left that insurance company and formed their own called Lightning Rod Mutual Insurance Company, which is now called Western Reserve Group as of today.
That is very funny.
It is a neat little story.
I love it.
Yeah.
People banding together to make things fair.
That's correct, and they weren't being treated properly.
I love
that. It was a group of farmers that were entrepreneurs as well in the business world to start their own insurance company. So we're real proud of our history.
That is great. Okay, so you guys are AM Best Excellent rated. Tell me what that means.
Sure, that's actually very critical in our business because people buy a policy, a contract, and AM Best is the leading property and casualty insurance rating agency. And so they rate your financial strength as to whether or not you can meet those obligations in the future. So we are actually one of 122 companies that have been rated A or better, excellent, for 50 years or more. We're a top 200 property and casualty insurance writer. What that means to our policyholders is that we're one of 31 out of 2,500 property casualty insurance companies that meet both of those rankings. So again, a great accomplishment for our people and our actually our agents and policyholders.
That's top tier for sure.
I would agree.
Yes, absolutely. Well, let's talk about what insurance are we talking about then. So what kinds of insurance can I get from WRG?
Sure, you can buy actually, we sell the traditional products, your home, which would be your home, your auto, commercial products. Commercial auto farm is one of our marquee items. Actually, we were founded by farmers, as I mentioned. So we sell farm products, auto, umbrella, but it's property and casualty. We don't do life or health. Okay.
So what do you see as the insurance industry? What are you seeing as some trends, some major trends in the insurance industry?
Sure. On the auto side, which we're seeing, and it wouldn't surprise you being in the business you're in, but distracting driving is something that's really hit. Probably in the last 5 years, the amount of losses are up 100%. So as a matter of fact, that's the biggest contributor to the increased cost on the auto side. I was actually, the other day I was on the road, and I'm sure you see this as well, but I was sitting at a light and there was somebody sitting across from me with a dog on her lap, a cigarette in her mouth, and either she was talking on the phone or she was FaceTiming somebody. And I'm thinking, this is not good.
No, she's probably FaceTiming.
Yes, and so those are the things that we see now that probably 10 or 15 years ago, but has really increased the cost and the frequency of the auto accidents. On the other side of the spectrum, on your home, what we're seeing is a lot of the cyber liability and identity theft. I mean, another hot topic out there where we're seeing more and more individuals where their PII or their personal information is actually being taken out of their computer by some sort of a third party who's encrypted into their computers. So another coverage that's out there now that probably wasn't available 10 or 15 years ago.
It's something we never would have thought we would have needed 10 or 15 years ago. It's crazy how the world is changing.
Absolutely.
So how do we go about getting a quote from Western Reserve?
Yeah, you can go on our website, www.wrg-ins.com, and you go get an agent or find a quote. So readily available. Do business in Ohio and Indiana through 600 agencies.
So it makes it super easy.
That's correct.
All you have to do, go to that website, get a quote. They can help you out. They are a top tier insurance agency, that's for sure. And they can help you with your insurance needs today. Get online and get that quote. We'll be right back on Insight.